fourth class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Let's start today's SS class. As you know, students, we are doing block 2, work we do, and we already know about the jobs of weavers. Today we will learn about why we need to conserve handloom fabrics. I hope it is clear to you all. Now, students, please open your content book of SS. Lesson number 4. Lesson number 4, and what is the name of lesson number 4? Conserving our handlooms. Let's start reading. Indian handloom is different from the kinds of cloth found in other parts of the world. We must conserve. Conserve meaning हमें उनको बचा के रखना चाहिए. We should not harm them. We must conserve these handlooms and help weavers continue with their jobs. Handloom clothes production reducing. Here is the article, newspaper article है ये. We will read this article. Cloth made on handloom used to be very popular in India, and weavers earn good money for their work. Nowadays, very few weavers want to stay in this job, said a weaver named Dharamraj. My father, my grandfather, and my great grandfather were all weavers. But now we are thinking of changing our jobs because we are not earning enough. So धर्मराज जो हैं एक वीवर हैं, उन्होंने बताया कि उनके फादर, उनके ग्रैंडफादर एंड उनके ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर जो थे वो सारे ही वीवर्स थे. बट आज के टाइम पे वो सोच रहे हैं कि वो अपनी जॉब को चेंज कर लें, क्योंकि उन्हें इतना जो पैसा है वो नहीं मिल पा रहा है जितनी उन्होंने हार्ड वर्क किया है. द वूल वी यूज टू मेक शॉल्स इज़ वेरी कॉस्टली. वी कैन नॉट सेल आवर शॉल्स at a good price. People do not want to pay a high price for them. Asha, another weaver we spoke to, said, we do not earn enough from selling our handloom saris. People choose to buy machine-made saris for a lesser price. We take a lot of time to weave one sari. If everyone buys machine-made saris, what will happen to our handloom saris? So, जो another weaver हैं जिनका नाम आशा है, उन्हें भी अर्निंग की प्रॉब्लम है. that peoples are buying nowadays machine-made sari which are less costly, जो कि कम कॉस्टली होती हैं. सो अगर सब लोग मशीन मेड साड़ीज़ वेयर करेंगे, देन वट विल हैपन टू आवर हैंडलूम साड़ीज़. So these are the problems. I hope this lesson is clear to you all. You have to do these practice question. We will discuss these practice question later. So here is a question based on that story, newspaper article and the lesson. Why has the weaving of handloom cloth gone down? जो हैंडलूम क्लोथ्स हैं उनकी वीविंग करना वो आज के टाइम पे कम क्यों होता जा रहा है? वाई? लेट्स डिस्कस द आंसर. The weaving of handloom cloth has gone down because many weavers do not want to work as weavers. The wool and other threads they use are too costly for them. Also, people do not want to pay the high prices for handloom clothes. Instead, they choose to buy machine-made clothes, which is cheaper. So these are the reasons why handloom clothes are gone down these days. Now students, tell me, why do we need to conserve handloom fabric? Handloom fabric को conserve करना हमें क्यों चाहिए? क्यों हमें handloom fabric को conserve करना चाहिए? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Some types of handloom clothes are only made in India. They are part of our heritage and have existed for many years. If a family stops working as weavers, these skills will be lost. ये skills lost हो जाएंगी. Therefore, we must conserve handloom fabrics because they are our heritage. I hope this explanation is clear to you all. Now it's time for higher. Now we will conclude. We will conclude Why handloom fabric need to be conserved? Part of our heritage, because it is a part of our heritage. It has beautiful designs made by many generations of family. Clear? Now it's time for higher of the thinking question. Question is, how can we help conserve handloom fabrics? हम कैसे help कर सकते हैं handloom fabrics को conserve करने में? Let's discuss the answer. We can spread awareness about the problems of weavers. We can explain their importance to the people in our neighborhood and school. We can organize a handloom dress day at school. Yes, these are some thoughts that we can apply to conserve our heritage and handloom fabrics. Clear? Now, these are your keywords. First one is fabric. Fabric is a cloth, and conserve, to keep something safe from being damaged or destroyed. You have to write down these keywords and their meanings also in your notebook. Now students, this is the worksheet 2.4, conserving our handlooms. First question is, tick the correct reasons why production of handloom cloth is going down in India. Option A, more people want to buy machine made cloth. Yes, this is the reason. Handloom cloth is made in only one color. No, handloom cloth is made in many colors. This is colorful. Handloom cloth is too costly. Handloom cloth is too costly for people. Yes. Handloom cloth can only be made using one type of thread. No. So you will take the correct reasons. Clear? Question number 2. Your mother or aunt wants to throw away an old handloom sari. What would you tell her so that she does not throw it away? आपकी मॉम या आंट जो हैं वो एक ओल्ड हैंडलूम साड़ी को फेंकने वाली थी. Then what will you tell her so that she does not throw it away? So you have to think and write down your answer. Clear? Question number 3. Write 2 ways in which you can help to conserve हैंडलूम क्लॉथ. आपको 2 वेज बताने हैं जिनके बेसिस पे आप हैंडलूम क्लॉथ्स को कंजर्व करने में हेल्प कर सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू डू योर वर्कशीट ऑन योर ओन. क्लियर? नाउ दीज आर द प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस दैट यू हैव टू डू. Practice question 1. Write if true or false. The price of wool can reduce the production of handloom cloths. And B part is the price of iron can reduce the production of handloom cloths. किस चीज़ का रिडक्शन जो है, किस चीज़ के रिडक्शन प्राइस रिडक्शन से हैंडलूम क्लॉथ का प्रोडक्शन हो सकता है? यस, वुल. सो विल राइट हेयर ट्रू एंड यू विल राइट हेयर फॉल्स. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. Why would people buy machine made clothes instead of handloom clothes? Because machine made clothes are less costly. Clear? So you will write your answer. Question number 3. Rajan is a weaver. He learned how to weave from his father, who in turn learned it from his father. Rajan likes weaving, but it takes a week for him to make one cloth. He earns very little money. Rajam now wants to stop weaving. A part. Who did Rajam learn his work from? राजन ने अपना वर्क किससे सीखा था? You will think and write your answer. And B part. Why does Rajam want to stop working as a weaver even though he likes weaving? Because it takes a week for him to make one cloth and he earns very little money. So you will write down. C part. What would you tell Rajam so that he continues working as a weaver? What would you tell? आप उसको क्या बोलोगे? That he continues working as a weaver. So students, these are your practice questions that you have to do. Thank you everyone for watching this video.